Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to disable stories notifications from friends on Snapchat. If you're getting a lot of story notifications from your friend on Snapchat, then let me show you how to turn it off. Open up your Snapchat app, then tap on your profile picture at the top left, then tap on your settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and within My Account section, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see a set of different notifications. Within the list, find stories from friends and toggle it to the left-hand side to turn it off. And that is how to disable story notifications from friends on Snapchat. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.